Hello, sir. My name is Meher Hussain Oppu.
I'm Saidul Islam. Thank you, Oppo. Oppo, you know what is barista?
Sir, barista is a creates and service hot and cold coffee, espresso, tea, and other beverages.
What is espresso?
Sir, espresso is one kind of strong black coffee with which brewed with high pressure hot water and finally ground coffee beans add together.
Please, can you tell me some coffee name?
Espresso, Americano, B60, cappuccino, flight white, latte, cortado, Spanish latte, France latte, caramel latte. Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee.
How many types of coffee?
Sir, there are four types of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, Librica, Excelsa.
Please, can you tell me how to make B60?
Yes, sir. 20 gram coffee beans powder, coffee beans, 300 ml hot water.
Do you know latte art in coffee?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you make one cortado. You know cortado?
Yes, sir.
Make one cortado. Make one hot B60. Make any kind of iced coffee
Yes,
and
sir.
make some latte art with coffee.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.